In this video, we are going to see how to do a factorial in Python. Okay, first we must know what is a factorial. So factorial is nothing but in the question they are given some number. Okay, so I have calculated for 5 now. So I will say suppose 4 factorial. 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So what is the value? Value is 24. So like that only we have to calculate the factorial. So here are many ways to write the factorial in Python. So we are going to use the simplest method to write the program. So there is already a predefined function in the module in the Python. Okay, so that function is math.factorial. So this is the function name we are calling math.factorial. So using this only we are going to calculate. So this math will be having then it will take care of all the negative numbers also. Okay, so there is no need to write a separate steps for factorial calculation. Okay, so first line we are going to import this math. Okay, so there are already given values, so we are importing that math function. Okay, so now I am getting the number from the user. So the input will be getting from the user. So enter a number. Okay, enter number. I am giving as simple. Okay, you can give as you wish. Then I am closing the bracket. Now I am going to print the factorial. Print factorial of. So print factorial of what? This is the number. Okay, so I will give num. Then is the factorial of the number is. Okay, you can give as define as you wish. Okay, that is print statement only. So until next line we have to write it as print math dot. So we are calling this function what I said math dot factorial to get that number. So factorial, inside this parameters we have to write int because it is a number and we are getting what number we are getting from the user. So that number I am writing inside this. So this is the simplest way to write the factorial program. Okay, thank you.